Gold targets are the best trend indicator for MetaTrader 5. The indicator's unique algorithm analyzes the movement of the asset price, taking into account factors of technical and mathematical analysis, determines the most profitable entry points, issues a signal in the form of an arrow and the price level, buy entry or sell entry to open an order. The indicator also immediately displays the price level for stop loss and 5 price levels for take profit. Attention, the indicator is very easy to use. Install the indicator on the chart with one click and trade based on its signals and price levels. On the chart, regardless of the time frame on which the indicator is installed, the trend status is displayed from 4 timeframes, M30, H1, H4 and D1. Advantages of the indicator. 1. The indicator produces signals with high accuracy. 2. The indicator signal is not redrawn. When the price crosses each line, it is equipped with a sound notification, alert and message. 3. You can trade on the MetaTrader 5 trading platform of any broker. 4. You can trade any assets, currencies, metals, cryptocurrencies, stocks, indices, etc. 5. You can trade on any time frames. M15 and M30 scalping and day trading. H1 medium-term trading. H4 D1 long-term trading. 6. Individual parameters, color, size, etc. can be changed in the indicator settings so that each trader can easily customize the indicator for themselves. 7. The indicator can be used as an independent trading system. 8. The chart also displays a timer until the candles bar of the current time frame closes. Note, the accuracy of entry and profitability of trading depends only on the skill of the trader. Any indicator is only a trader's assistant and not a guide to action. The golden rule: go to open an order by trend, take your profit and wait until the next best signal. I wish everyone good luck in trading and stable profits.